If you are like me and find yourself playing with old steam systems often enough, you'll be happy to know that we carry a full line of repair parts for steam systems, including the standard extra heavy pattern valve. The reason this valve is used on steam over anything else is due to its Teflon seat. The Teflon seat will not deteriorate in the heat from the steam. The conventional radiator valves that you're able to find generally only have a rubber seal in them. These valves, if they're made by Dahl, are denoted by the red handle. They're standard pattern and they're meant specifically for hot water heating. If the valve has the black handle, it is a heavy pattern valve and can be used for steam or hot water. Good to know is all Dahl valves come with a lifetime guarantee and a self-adjusting spring-loaded packing, making maintenance a lot less. We also have access to a full line of steam traps for your 2-pipe radiators, as well as trap repair kits in both cage units and thermostatic discs. We'll open up a Barnes & Jones unit here, open the steam trap, remove the element, this guy drops in there, close the lid, trap repaired. We do also offer steam trap surveys and testing if you need it, ultrasonically as well as via infrared detection. Please reach out to us if you have a client that needs their steam traps tested. The savings can be substantial. Also got some thermostatic discs here for Dunham Mepco DB1s, all in stock. If you're playing with an even older system and it's single pipe, we also stock radiator vents for single pipe steam systems as well. If your client is demanding something a little nicer and aesthetic, the Windsor valve is also approved for use on steam systems. This is the Windsor XL in a satin nickel finish, 1.25 inches. It uses a DPM seal around a ground joint in order to stop the steam and provides your client with a significantly nicer finish than the standard valves we're used to. These valves are, however, only available in the Union.